Hi guys, this was filmed immediately following the Maraetai Hill Road ride. I had two options for my return trip. The first being the faster route back on the motorway. The second being the more scenic coastal route through Maraetai. Pretty easy decision, I think. So I rode back this way, just annoyed that I hadn't checked my drone prior to leaving, and having an inoperable drone in a place like this is pretty poor. I mean, the scenery out here is amazing. But on a good note, I was able to repair the drone, and I came back out a couple of days later and got some footage here. Stick around, it's coming up soon.